Unfortunately, it's a little busy right here, but we got a place where I say where nature finds a way. So right here in the middle of this rock, this one tree survived. It's growing by itself, but there's something even cooler. This one over here, like on the top of this little plateau, there's one plant growing all by itself up there. So I'm gonna head down there and see if I can get a little bit closer to that one. So I have a feeling coming down here, it's gonna be a little bit easier than getting back up there. But here's another one of these. I think these are junipers. I need to back up some. Like it found a way to grow out of this solitary crack in this rock. Overlooking another one of these deep cliffs. That one over there is pretty cool. There it is. All by itself on top of that. It almost looks like a little hole or cave down in there. But it's amazing. Nature will find a way to grow in the most desolate places. Wow, that is a long way down. It's funny, it's not bad standing here until I look down over the cliff. Then it gets a little freaky. As long as I'm not looking down, no, I'm doing all right. Hey, this is crazy. There's people up over there, but I have no idea how that guy got up over there. There's a couple of people there. I cannot figure it out, and I don't think I want to figure that out. So, you know, guys, if you've never been here, you just got to come out. The videos, the pictures don't do it justice. It's not like, hold on. Yeah, guys, this is something you just got to see. You just got to experience. The pictures, videos don't do it justice. It's not like National Lampoon's Vacation where you come out, you bob your head a few times, and you move on. I swear it sounds like somebody's having a party here. That's another thing about being here. It's ELS. English, ESL, English second language. Except for all the people, so far this has been my favorite stop here at the Grand Canyon. Just the views here are just amazing. There's another one, I don't have any idea what those are, just growing all by itself. You still got the sun shining over that way through the, I guess it'll be down in the valley. I'm being very careful because I'm standing right here on this edge. And just got all the different rock colorations, and man, it's just, I went a few times in my life, but once again, I'm at a loss for words. And I still wonder how that group of people got up over there. All right, so I made it down, but now I got to make it back up there somehow. And without falling on my ass. Wish me luck. This is where it pays to have big feet. Which way, which way, which way? All right, guys, let's try that again. All right, guys, so I definitely just made a mistake. I came to the other end of the Grand Canyon where the visitor center is. If you come, make sure you stay down at the other end. Because right now this might look nice, but I'm going to show you what I'm dealing with. There is just a sea of humanity here at this end of the park. I can't enjoy this. This is just way too many people, and people packed all over there. I was hoping to come see the sunset, but unfortunately the way the sun is setting, it's back over that way, and the Grand Canyon is over that way. So traffic was already insane. I know it's gonna be a bitch getting out of here. Look at this. This is insane, the amount of people that are here. And I thought maybe coming this time of the year it wouldn't be as crowded, but it is the day after Thanksgiving, so I think everybody's out. And, yeah. So me personally, I actually enjoyed the other stuff I did today better before I got up here with all the people. The stops I made where there was nobody. Even the other end of the Grand Canyon was just much better. Not as many people. But I'm gonna get out of here. I know I'm gonna get stuck in a ton of traffic. How you doing, buddy? Here, I'll put you on camera. Say hi. Where you guys from? Utah? All right, that's a nice state. You'll be on my YouTube channel, hit it. All right, I got a couple of fans in the back. All right. So I was hoping to get sunset at the Grand Canyon. It didn't work out. So this is about as good as it's gonna get. And now I gotta go fight this traffic. All right, guys. I am not looking forward to this traffic I'm about to deal with. Grand Canyon experience, definitely worth it if you come. I wouldn't even recommend going to the visitors center side. Just stay by the watchtower side. There's lots of little pullouts. So I'm going to start driving. I have no idea. I feel it's going to take me a while to get back to Flagstaff. But I got my water, and I do got something to snack on. These nuts. Yeah, I got issues.